Introducing the stainless steel Workstation Single Bowl Kitchen Sink S-613WK. With a solid stainless steel construction, the included strainer and sloping bottom ensure fast drainage. CUPC certified, this sink meets and exceeds the highest plumbing standards for North America, ensuring peace of mind for homeowners. Complementing the style and function of your sink workstation are the included accessories, perfectly tailored to fit your single undermount kitchen sink. From the stainless steel strainer for quick drainage, to the BPA-free black wood fiber composite cutting board, and the premium stained steel metal colander. A roll-up dish drying rack space saver, while the strong stainless steel bottom grid protects it from dents and scratches, preventing water pooling and keeping your kitchen clean and functional. Experience tranquility in your kitchen with its protective coating that minimizes noise. Measuring at 33 by 19 inches, it provides ample space for all your culinary needs. With a generous 10-inch depth, this sink easily accommodates pots and pans, while its side drains optimize space for a clutter-free countertop. Designed for reversible drain placement, you can choose between left or right side installation. The sink's built-in ledge ensures easy accessory integration. Adapt the style of your kitchen with these accessories recommended for you.